Welcome to this Anwyl home demonstration. In this video, I'll show you how to locate and use the central heating system within your new Anwyl home. The majority of our properties have a central heating system which is run through a gas-fired combination boiler. However, some of our larger properties have a system boiler. A combination boiler combines a high-efficiency water heater with a central heating boiler into a single compact unit, which ensures it only heats what you use. A system boiler produces hot water, which is then transferred and stored in a hot water cylinder that's often located in your airing cupboard. This ensures a readily available supply of hot water. All boilers are located in your utility room or kitchen and are very simple to use. As you can see, there's the pressure gauge, the display, the heating temperature control, the hot water temperature control, and the Eco, Info and Reset buttons. Your pressure reading should always be between the 1.5 and 2 on the pressure gauge. If the reading is lower, you can find the heating filling loop underneath the boiler. Open both taps so the pressure climbs back up to the correct position, and then close the taps again. Programmable thermostats enable you to control the heating temperature of the downstairs and upstairs zones separately. The upstairs thermostat is located in the master bedroom and the downstairs thermostat in your hallway. You'll find an on-off function, a 7-day function, time, date and holiday mode. You can set the heating program to automatic, manual or off. The main difference between the boiler systems is the way in which the hot water is controlled and stored within your new home. With the combination boiler, the hot water is instantaneous and the control for this can be found on the boiler. If you have a system boiler, you can set how often your water is heated, between continuous, once a day, or set to automatic via the hot water controller on your downstairs thermostat. You can control the hot water temperature using the dial attached to the left side of the cylinder. This is typically kept at 39 degrees Celsius. If there's a leak on the hot water system, you should isolate the 2 valves to the right of the system and contact a plumber immediately. You can also switch on the immersion heating using this switch, but this is only to be used sparingly. Please remember to register your boiler as soon as you've moved in, as well as ensuring you have your boiler serviced annually. I hope you found this Anwyl home demonstration useful. Please refer to your welcome pack for more information.